Hi, in this tutorial we're going to show how to define and learn a simple linear regression model using InferPy. We assume that InferPy is already properly installed in your environment. Otherwise, please check the online documentation. First of all, we have to import the required packages, which are InferPy, TensorFlow and NumPy. Then, we define the probabilistic model with the prior probabilities. This is called the P model. This is just a function with the decorator inf.prop model. The model is made of all the random variables defined inside the function. So we first define the global parameters, that in this case are the regression coefficients W and the intercept W0. All these variables are normally distributed. Then we define the observable variables inside the construct data model. These are variables x and y. Note that the dimension of such variables are specified for a single instance, and internally InferPy will replicate them. Note that all the variables must have a name, otherwise the inference procedure will not work. Once we have defined the model, we can create an instance of P by simply invoking the function. The Q model is defined in a similar way. But in this case, the parameters of the random variables are defined as subjects of class InferPy.parameter. Take into account that the names of Q variables must be the same as in the P model, in order to facilitate the association between the variables in both models. Once we have defined the model, we can create an instance by simply invoking the function. For this example, we will generate a DOI data from the P model. In order to do that, we fix the global parameters and generate 1,000 samples from variables x and y. Then we set the parameters of the inference and run 5,000 iterations. Finally, we can extract the learned parameters, and we check that the coefficients are close to those set when generating the dataset.